Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at the Zero Tolerance Emerson 640 folding knife, now available at KnifeCenter.com. After being teased online by ZT for weeks now, we finally have our hands on the latest collaboration with legendary knife maker Ernest Emerson, the 640. This folding knife combines the DNA of both parties splendidly, giving us the practical, tactical design that Emerson is known for, while also providing that bold and rugged ZT style. Because this is ZT we're talking about, you already know that you're getting top-notch materials and some of the best manufacturing quality in the industry. The 3.75-inch clip point blade is made from high-performing CPM 20CV steel that comes with a two-tone finish. A stonewashed finish on the flats and satin bevels make it look as good as it cuts. In typical ZT fashion, the frame is made from titanium, offering maximum durability and solid locking performance with its hardened steel lockbar insert. It also features jimping at the top and bottom of the handle to give you a little extra grip. To add visual flair, the handle includes green carbon fiber scales overlaid on both sides, giving the knife unique style and a smooth feel in the hand. For deployment, the blade sports an Emerson-style ambidextrous thumb disc, giving the user a very controlled opening action that feels just as great as any knife ZT has to offer. Overall, ZT has combined their award-winning high-end production success with Emerson's tried-and-true design skills to make another world-class EDC knife. To get your hands on this ZT 640, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, be sure to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.